Hello and welcome to today's program. Today I'm going to introduce the Korean company Daiwha Equipment. It is a company that is a 100% domestic medical device manufacturer that has developed and sold electrosurgical devices and drug injection pumps for the first time in Korea since its establishment in 1979. Further, the company has recently developed and sold ultrasonic energy systems for the first time in Korea. Full-time employees are steadily working hard to become one of the top 100 global medical device companies through bold and continuous R&D investment with the vision of exporting their products to more than 50 foreign markets as well as the domestic market. The products we're going to take a look at today are the Mediffusion DI6X00X series DS5000. The product was first developed in Korea under the model MP1500 in 1993 and in 2010 D12000 and 2200. It is a vertical drug injection pump and also a steady seller. Since then, in 2014, horizontal drug injection pumps and syringe drug injection pumps have been developed one after another to secure a wide line of products. This year, a new premium drug injection pump model, to be more specific, has been launched by adding designs and various functions focusing on user convenience. Drug injection pumps are essential medical equipment for injecting accurate amounts of pills at a constant rate when injecting drugs into a patient. We have two types. Here we have vertical, the so-called Mediffusion DI6000V and 600V dual channel 6200V. They are products mainly used in general wards. The horizontal version, the Mediffusion DI6000 and Mediffusion DS5000, are mainly used in intensive care units for patients who need multiple drugs at once. In particular, Mediffusion DS5000's a syringe infusion pump has target concentration injection function and is sometimes used to inject anesthetics during surgery. In order to meet the rapidly changing medical environment, new models are being released in a short cycle of about 5 to 7 years. The special points of these products: the DI6X00X series is an infusion pump for injecting fluids and is divided into horizontal and vertical types. DI6000V and 62000V dual channel are vertical infusion pumps that have applied a 3.2-inch or 5-inch color touch LCD screen for user convenience and have increased stability through dual charging devices. In addition, the brightness is automatically adjusted to the surrounding environment and blood transfusion is possible through the pump. The DI6000 is a horizontal infusion pump. It can be operated through a 3.5-inch color LCD screen and jog dial. And if several drugs need to be injected through a docking station system, that can connect up to 4 pumps at the same time, but it can be used like one pump as well. The syringe pump DS5000 can be operated through a 3.5-inch color LCD screen and jog dial for user convenience and automatically detects the size of the syringe. In addition, the operation of the arm makes it easy to mount the syringe through the semi-automatic function. The biggest feature of the DS5000 is the target concentration adjustion injection, the so-called TCI function. It is an essential function for anesthesia, and if you, as the doctor, input the target concentration of the drug according to the patient's gender, weight, age, and so on into the pump, the drug's blood concentration is automatically maintained and the anesthesia is maintained throughout the procedure. Through the DI600V and 6200V self-pain control, the PCA, patients can administer small amounts of painkillers prescribed by doctors themselves. With the application of the Central Sensory System (CMS), all of the new infusion pumps allow medical staff to check the operation status and alarm off multiple pumps at once in the nurse's office. This is to save unnecessary time, manage efficiency, and check how to use the product through the QR code on the screen. Further, we take a look at surgical instruments, the Meditom DE400E and the DOB100. These are electrosurgical devices that were developed for the first time in Korea in 1987 and are now equipped with various functions such as automatic output control and automatic output stop. They have recently been developed for the first time in Korea to implement a multi-purpose energy platform for various purposes and operations. The surgical instrument is an essential medical equipment used for the purpose of incision and the coagulation of tissues or blood vessels in all surgeries. The Meditom DE400 is an electrosurgical device used not only in surgery but also in internal medicine, urology, and other departments through high frequency. The Meditom DUB100 is an ultrasonic electrical surgical instrument that is generated for the energy devices and is currently available with the Desonic DU series, an ultrasonic energy device, and the Medipolar DB series, an electronic vessel sealer, to be released next year. The special points of this product are that the DE400E is a premium electrosurgical device with a 7-inch touchscreen that comes in color. Considering the safety of the patient, it is equipped with a function that recognizes the resistance value of the tissue and automatically controls and stops the output when a certain point is reached. In addition, 10 different modes allow users to select a mode for specific surgery, and they have a variety of dedicated accessories such as monopoly bipolar electronics and pads. The last product for today is the Desonic DU series. That is a product developed based on the advice of professors at various university hospitals here in Korea. In 2018, it was registered at home and abroad, and the following year it was officially introduced by the Korean Surgery Association. Exports began in Malaysia in 2020 and sales are in full swing for demos at various university hospitals in Korea. The product has been proven valid through 2 full-time trials and 3 clinical studies. Further, the company won many awards. In addition to European CE certification, it holds individual medical device certifications for more than 20 countries, including Brazil, Mexico, China, Kazakhstan, and Indonesia. If you are interested in this company, you can make sure to check out videos and demonstration on their website. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation and it sparked your interest. Have a nice day. Thank you.